If a backyard hang is in your future this long weekend, food and lifestyle expert Pay Chen has you covered. Hi.
Hi, I'm so glad we get to do this together.
I know. I'm so excited. You've got so many delicious looking treats.
Yeah.
We're going to start off with like the refreshers, right?
Yes.
So it's hot, it's sticky. How do you keep people refreshed?
Okay, and we also just don't like low effort. Everything has to be super low effort, right?
This must be.
Yeah, it's summertime. Let's like max out on the good weather. So setting up like a hydration station, so water, having lots of ice. I love the idea of having some like sliced cucumbers, citrus, even some fresh fruit for people to like put in and have a little like flavored water is
and for
fun.
people to do it themselves too.
Well, that's and
like,
you don't also if you're outside,
working,
you don't need to keep running in and out to the fridge.
Yeah.
You can have this set up outside. Also, people with parents know this, but if you happen to have guests where there's like little ones coming over, I like things that aren't glass for outdoors.
Totally plastic.
So it's great to just have that set up, and then people can do it on their own. And then when the kids start asking for like a frozen treat, this is, I mean, what's the first thing you want to have when it's hot outside? And when you were a kid, you want a frozen treat, right? You absolutely do. So I really love these fruit bars from Del Monte. There's got lots of different kinds here. Like, do you love
Is that pina colada?
It's pineapple and coconut.
So close enough.
But you're the adult in you is going for that. So they have like great frozen treats. They also are really great at like fruit at its best. Like they're sort of the experts in making the goodness of fruit available year round. So with the frozen treats, it's great. So we've got some of the bars like the mixed berry and peach, for example, strawberry. Also, if you want something like nice in a bowl, you can also have like some of their great sorbet. One of their flavors, for example, is the tropical mango. So naturally delicious and refreshing. I also love the size. Like it's just kind of mini. And then if you want to go for another flavor afterwards, you absolutely can.
Yes, please.
So you get the great goodness of fruit and also like quality ingredients and just easy. Always having this in the freezer is great because then you can just run in and out, grab it, and then it's just like so refreshing on hot summer days.
I'm gonna stir it in my cocktail.
You're all set. You're absolutely
Speaking of cocktails, what do we got here?
Okay, so for the adult drinks, I absolutely love this. So this is the Jackson Triggs Proprietors Selection. They've got the Cabernet Sauvignon and the Sauvignon Blanc. This is a 4-liter bag in a box.
Wow.
Isn't that a great?
There's 4 liters in there?
Yes. So what is really fantastic about this is for entertaining, people can serve themselves. And also for like camping, cottages, picnics, or just hosting, you don't have to deal with like carrying all the bottles, for example, or transporting all the bottles.
And then bringing them all home with you.
And opening all the bottles. You could have this set out. And then so traveling with this is like absolutely great. So the Cab Sauv, for example, smooth, fruit forward, super versatile. And then you've got the Sauvignon Blanc, which is nice, crisp, refreshing, easy to enjoy. This is actually one of the most popular wines at the LCBO. So
I believe
really a really affordable, portable, convenient, and then approachable wines that give you like more servings and flexibility, and also just the value was great. And I wanted to show you actually, I'll show you on the side here. Okay. I've got these cups. These I've had in my collection for ages.
Oh my God, so cute.
Do you see this? They actually come packed like this, and they're plastic, so this is really great for picnics or outdoors, cottaging, backyard. The stem screws on the bottom, so it makes it feel like a little fancy wine cup.
Yeah.
And then the little spout here.
And reusable. You're not using those tiny little plastic ones that crack and break all the time.
Exactly.
So
and also it just feels like it's a little, you got your little wine glass. There you go. So here you go. Here's your next thing.
Okay. Now, what am I wearing around my neck? Because this thing is amazing.
Okay, so I wanted,
Jacket up.
Staying cool. We've got this neck fan. This is my personal collection. I wear this all the time when I'm just running errands, riding my bike. I think these are they can be very inexpensive, like under $20. They can go up from there. But this is, I think, the essential thing to stay cool this summer. Sitting outside, reading, whatever.
Suffering from perimenopause.
Exactly.
Having a hot flash.
It is our era.
Yeah.
But other portable fans, these are actually just like my personal collection. You can buy them from online retailers. They're everywhere. But you could have like a little hand fan, for example.
I like it.
But the one you have, it's like hands-free. What I like about this is that you can actually there's a mist function. You can pour water into the top of it.
That's great.
Yeah, and then also like it's got the little base so that if you want to set it down like at a table or desk, you can do that. This one I also like too. So it folds up really easy and compact. I traveled with this one actually in the winter when I was at a hot destination.
Love it.
And you can, because you can sit like this on a table. So I've been in places, when the air conditioning isn't working that great, set it down on the table, blowing towards me, and everyone is just jealous. It's also a flashlight.
Oh, I love how smart you are.
It's also a power bank, and it was
BBC?
like $15.
All right, they're yelling at me. We gotta go. But this is amazing. Of course, we will have all of Pay's information on our website. There's so much more coming up on Morning Live. Make sure you stay with us. Oh yeah, jack it up. Oh, it's so good.